I'm about to replace the wiper blades on this BMW X1 F48 chassis. Now, you can't lift it up because it's going to hit the bonnet. So you have to put the wiper blade arms into what they call a, I can't remember the name of it, but it actually folds up vertically, so you can actually lift up the wiper blade to replace it. And to do that, you need to press the ignition and then press it again, and then I'm gonna push this up beyond the resistance point and just hold it, and when it gets to the vertical you let go, and now you can replace the wiper blades. So to remove this wiper blade, we just press this down. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. Press this down and push the whole thing up. I can't do it one-handed. Let me see. Press and push it up. Oh, there you go. No, I can't do it one-handed. So to reinstall this, we just have to put this here and just push this down, this tab here down a little bit so that it can move down, and we just slide it in and fold down, and then we'll go into the car and we just press this button and just press this dog down, and that's it. Thanks for watching.